Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a custom audience from your pixels and the data you have collected from your website, from your Facebook page, from your Instagram page. So whoever interacted with your Facebook page or Instagram page and through your website, they all saved in your pixels. So it's important that you integrate the pixels correctly in your website to store all those data. So you can use them later on in your ads to retarget them through custom audience and through lookalike. So before going into the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been teaching and helping out the businesses and the individuals running their ads and helping them optimize their ad where they are not getting any lead from their current campaigns and they're having trouble with their Go High Level accounts, integration, snapshots or landing pages. I have been helping them optimizing and bringing them good quality leads. So I will be happy to help you out. Also, if you want, I will drop a link in the description. You can book a call with me and I would love to work with you in future. So let us start the video. So here you can see that we have a custom audience already set in our account. So the section from here and here. So these are all custom audience and the one where it says lookalike. So first we need to create a custom audience. We cannot create lookalike. So first step is to create a custom audience from the pixels, all the data we have connected. So it will look something like this. So how we can achieve this custom audience here in our ads, we need to go to the tools and in the audience section. So when you open this, it will take you to this section here. Here, all your custom audience, lookalike, and the audience you have saved for your retargeting, everything will be displayed here. So you can easily manage all those audiences, how we can create them. So once you click on the button, it will show you different options here and you can do all of them. There's no restriction that you can only create a custom audience for websites. So you can create multiple audience for all the channels you have collecting the source from. So the best practice, what I do for normal websites, I'm not talking about the WooCommerce website. So the normal lead websites, I create the website traffic source and lead form source if we have on our website and the Instagram, Facebook page. So these four are really good to start with. And if you have a data, Excel sheet with all your previous customers or the leads you scrape, that will be really good for you. So the custom audience you will create from the custom list, it will help you in your ad and it will optimize your ads really good. So we'll start with the website source and what you need to do, just select the website source and click next. So here it will ask you to select your pixels. Always select the correct pixels you have in your account. Just verify the name here. So here it will give you different events. So which event you want to target for to collect the audience. So I always do the website visitors. So it collects all the data from here. And you can also do people who visited a specific pages like you're targeting the lead page or the booking page or the contact page, any services page. So you can select it from here. So it's important that you need to integrate the pixels correctly on your website and to set up the events correctly on your website. So the pixels will give you correct data here. So normally just go with the all website visitors. And so the retention here is you need to specify the number of days. Do you want the account center to remain the audience in the criteria you have set here? So if the audience will not meet the criteria in the range of these dates, it will remove the audience from your pixels. So mostly I do 30 days, 90 days, and the maximum you can go is 180 days. So let's start with 30 days retention and we'll name this audience website traffic 30. To remember that it's a 30-day retention, but it will give you in the ad manager also. So once you set this up, you just need to click create audience and then it will just populate the audience. It normally takes 5 to 10 minutes to populate, but you can start using the audience instantly. So after this, we'll go again in the custom audience. So now what we'll do, we'll use the same option and we'll go 90 and we'll do include more options here. So for website, we can use the people who have viewed the website or click on the lead. So we have already mentioned in the event manager on our website that when someone clicked on our book a call button or contact us button, it will count it as a lead. So automatically the source will become more important in our pixels and in our custom audience. So we'll select this also and we'll go with 30 days here and we'll add more audience here and we'll go 90 days. So now we have 3 different custom audience created here and I'll name it. So today we're going to work on the custom audience and website traffic 30, 90, 30 leads and we'll go traffic. Okay, so this is a crazy naming site to remember. Okay, so now we have 2 different website traffic here. So what's next? So we'll create more. Now we'll not use the website traffic one. So this is a lookalike. We need to go back and go to custom audience here. Now we go Instagram. Let's go here. So this is important, the events you choose, because everything is related to the events and the data you will be collecting from those events you have selected here. So the good event to select is anyone who visited the profile, included anyone who visited the profile, or regardless any action there. If they have opened your profile or your page and they didn't do anything, they didn't click on the like button or follow you or subscribe to any of your services, they will be included in this event. So it's up to you what you're targeting. So always look for the correct event which you're targeting and then select. So I normally do everyone and anyone regardless of any action and go for 365 days. So it's Insta 365 days retention, and that's it for Insta. We'll create an Instagram audience here and we'll hit done. So now we're going to create another audience. So for the lead form, it is important that you already have a lead form in your Facebook campaign before, because if you don't, you cannot use this meta source. You need to run the lead form campaign in the past, or you already have running the lead form campaign in your Facebook ad manager. You can use that lead form here as a source, and you can use all those data you have collected from lead form and directly use it in your custom audience. So for that, I don't have currently any lead form running for this page, so I cannot use the lead form here currently. Once we select the correct page here, we'll choose the correct event. So I'll go with anyone who visited the page 365 days, and we'll go Facebook page 365 here. So once we create the event here, we'll get all the events in one place. You can also create lookalikes of your custom audience you have created in the same process, but I will create another video for lookalike to explain the whole process, how you can set up the proper lookalikes and the percentage and everything, so you can understand the purpose of lookalikes. So once we have created our custom audience, we can go back to our page. Okay, so now we are in our ad manager for the same page and to use the pixels in here. So we are creating a new campaign. So let's go with the traffic one here, and we'll create a manual traffic campaign because we need to set up everything by ourselves. And once we create the campaign, it will give us the whole structure, the campaign, ad set, and one ad to create the ads for yourself. So we'll go directly into the ad set level. If you're already running the campaign, just duplicate your previous ad set and change the audience in it, or you can create another ad set in your campaign. So what we'll do here, we have our Facebook page and everything correctly selected here. We just need to go down into the advanced audience section. So here what we'll do, we'll click on the audience selection option, and here you will see the custom audience section here. What you can do, just click here and it will start displaying you all the custom audience you have created before, and you just need to select them one by one, and here it will add in your campaign. Just click here, select your audience you have created before, and it will be added in your ad set. So once you have that added in your ad set, you can change few settings here about the age, gender, or you can add more detailed targeting here. So what I normally do, I don't put detailed targeting in the custom audience ad set. I create another ad set for detailed targeting where I just target the location and the detailed targeting. So I put all the targetings and the interest I have collected from the audience in that, and separate the custom audience from detailed targeting. So what I do, I combine the custom audience and lookalike together and detailed targeting in a separate ad set. So it gives me really good data to understand that what detailed targetings are or what interests are working well for the campaign and which custom audience work for the ad set. So we just need to click next and publish our campaign. I hope this video helps you to understand the custom audience, and the next video I will create for lookalike, so you can understand the both setup and both audiences and how you can use it in your campaign. I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.